Hi, I'm Casey Krebs, the owner of Urban Hippie. All the granola I make is non-GMO project verified, handcrafted, and has no added artificial colors or flavors. Please check out my website at the link below. We are going to make blueberry granola muffins using the Urban Hippie Tutti Frutti granola today. So the first thing we will do is we preheated our oven. We have 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter right here. Pour that in. Okay. We're going to whisk together the butter, eggs, and milk. So we have 2 eggs here at room temperature. Pour that right in as well. We have half a cup of milk, any milk, soy milk, almond milk, regular milk. Put that right in there. And we'll just whisk that together. And I'm also going to put the salt in. Usually you put the salt in afterwards, but the salt is a little bit coarser than fine salt, so I just want to melt it a little bit, or disintegrate it a bit. So the salt can go right there. So in this large bowl, we'll whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder. So I have the sugar and 3/4 of a cup of sugar, baking powder, 2 teaspoons, and we'll get 2 cups of all-purpose flour here. And normally we would put the salt in, but we improvised a little bit with the salt today. You can sift the flour if you want to, but it's not necessary. We'll just mix that all together. And now we will stir the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And now we will fold the blueberries in. Now we'll just scoop them each into the tin. Let's take a little spoon of granola, and you want to sprinkle it on top. And just press it lightly down so it sticks. Makes it all look something like this so when you're done. So we're going to pop it in the oven, and it will cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. Oh, these smell so good. All right, here they come.
Okay, let me see. Let me see.
Oh my god! And the blueberries are like leaking out. Oh my gosh, bursting with flavor. Check this out. An explosion of blueberries. Okay, we'll let this cool for 5 minutes tops, and then we'll taste them. And you can get this recipe on our website at urbanhippiegranola.com, and you can make it at home.